Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the NumPy. Actually NumPy. Okay, how to install it, how to start executing the program on it. Okay, so basically the NumPy is an Python library. Okay, and it's come with some distribution also. Okay, so let's consider if you uh, if you can see my screen. So this is the Google Collapse. Okay, so basically to install the NumPy. Okay, so whenever you are installing NumPy on your own machine, on your laptop or desktop, okay, prior that we have to install two distribution. One is the Anaconda, second is the Spyder, okay, and then we're going to install the NumPy, okay. Either you can install the Python and then you can going to install the NumPy also. So basically the most of these are the two distribution are very popular in market. Okay, so people are using it. So why we are using this distribution? The reason is once you install it, there is no need of internet. You can execute your NumPy code easily. Okay, and in case of if you are going to use any online platform, like Colab is an online platform where you can run the Python pandas, NLP library, TensorFlow, PyChart. Okay, so all this library you can run, but always you require the internet for that. Okay, so those who have internet issue, or maybe they don't have connectivity, so they can install the either Anaconda or Spyder distribution on their laptop or desktop, and then you just type this command on cmd, that pip install numpy. It will going to install the numpy. Okay, so this is the way where you can individually and on individually on your system you can install the numpy. Okay, but nowadays everybody can use the NumPy onlinely. Okay, so using this Colab platform or other platforms are there. Okay, so now first we're going to import, because the NumPy is already installed in this platform, so we are not going to reinstall it. Okay, so instead of installing we just import the NumPy. Okay, so we just give the command import NumPy, okay, as a np. Okay, np is a alias. Okay, alias we are given anything like abc or anything xyz. Okay, but as the standard alias name is np. Np means numerical python. Okay, so this is the uh, where you can import the, or this is the way where we can import the python library. So let's consider right now we are not given any alias. Okay, we just import the library. Okay, just control and hit the enter button. Your cell get executed and you will get the output. Okay, if the python library, sorry, numpy library is not installed in your application on Colab, it will throw an error. Okay, other if have it properly installed, it will not give a error. Your cell get executed and you get, okay, so you'll get the tick mark here. That means there is no error. Okay, let's consider I give some another name, numpys. Yes, okay, because this kind of library is not actually available on system, so it will throw an error, model not found. Okay, so if there is any issue, or if numpy is not installed on your system and you try to import it, you will get this kind of error. Keep in mind. Okay, so again we're going to do this. Okay, so if see here, if here after executing this import numpy, okay, because numpy is already in this system on collapse, so it will not throw any error, and it is not given any message also. So how we can ensure ki numpy is installed properly, or we are imported numpy properly? So this is, say here is a tick mark. Okay, so green tick mark indicate that means this cell get executed properly, there is no error, there is no logical error, there is no code level error, there is no dependency library error we can consider. So now we are going to see, what is the version of numpy. Okay, so if we can say, let's consider, we just create a single array without alias. Okay, first we're going to create the simple array. Okay, so we call arr equal to numpy, okay, dot array, circle bracket, then square bracket, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and we just going to say arri. Okay, so this is the way we are going to create the array into the numpy. Okay, so either you can just ARI or you can print it, the both way it will work. So this is the way we can verify the numpy is working properly. Okay, so you will get, this is the list you will return at the end of from numpy. Okay, so this is the way you can use the numpy. Okay, so instead of directly using the numpy, you we can use the alias name, so that is the NP. So it is very short form and it is very convenient to use in programming, because short words are very useful, because every type you're going to cannot type, it's not easy to type the numpy, may do the mistake or something. So instead of that, you just create the alias and you just use that alias. Okay, that's per the your convenient. Okay, so this is the, okay, first we need to import it, because after creation alias we don't import it. Now we're going to import it, and the same thing. Now we'll just create ABC for understanding, to create the ABC alias, and just this one. Okay, so any alias you can give here. Okay, name you can give here, but you can use the NP, because everyone using NP, because it is standard, not standard, but it is convenient for all user. Okay, so this is way you can create the alias, you can create the array, and you can verify the array numpy is installed on your system. So after that we can say I want to see the version of numpy. So numpy dot hyphen hyphen version underscore underscore, sorry, not hyphen hyphen, underscore underscore, and just I execute it. So right now on colab lab notebook to 1.23.5 version is installed. Okay, so this is the way we are just going to start it. We are just going to understand how to install the numpy on distribution, either Anaconda and Spyder. Even we had not covered this in how to install in numpy on Anaconda and Spyder, not covered in this video, but I just give the hint. If you required, or if somebody want, I can create the video also on the how to install the numpy on distribution, this Anaconda and Spyder distribution. But right now we are using the Google Colab, so we just import the pandas. How to import it, we see it, how to create the alias, how to use the alias in inline coding also. Okay, instead of alias you can just call in numpy also without creating alias, that's also work fine. And we have see the what is the version of numpy. So this is the basic what we can say, this is the beginning of the numpy coding part we are going to start. So next video we are going to create the array, then next we are going to create the how to accessing array, then we're going to creating how to slicing array. Okay, so what are the data type, what is the copy view or array shape, array reshape, array iterating, array join, split, speech, search, sort, filter. So these are the things one by one we are going to see. So this is that's it for this video. Thank you watching my video. Please do share, subscribe, and please comment whatever your question, whatever your feedback on this video, because it will way to improve my skill and way to improve my knowledge. Okay, teaching skill and knowledge also. So that's it. Thank you for today.